Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we will be going through part 2 of this application video for FAU Erlangen for the course Computational Engineering. And in this, there will be another one, part 3 also we will be making, because there is a lengthier video. We also saw it in last application video of FAU. We made it 3 parts. That's the reason we will be also doing this time 3 parts. So please make sure you watch all 3 parts in order to apply for this particular course. And the application deadline is around mid of April, so you have some ample amount of time to apply for this particular course. If you're seeing this video for the first time, this is the first video that you're seeing, say example part 2 of FAU, then please I will suggest you guys to check out our requirement analysis video and also part 1 of application video, so that you won't be missing anything. Then you will have everything on track. In the last video, we also saw how to register for IDM portal. After registering for IDS portal, then we use the same registration of user ID and password for IDM portal, and I used it in Campo portal. This is how it looks after once you logged in. Then you can click on open application portal. Once you clicked on open application portal, it will show what are the application portal that you have used for summer semester 2025. This is the video that we made for MSc in Information and Communication Technology for summer semester 3 parts video. But today we won't be applying for summer semester 2025. We will be applying for winter semester 2025. So we'll get started. You can click on winter semester 2025. Once it is there, then we can add a new request. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need. Okay, then people are asking for one-on-one session and digital goods that I want to sell. So website is in building part, so it will be out by the end of this month or in mid of March. So no need to worry, no need to panic. I won't go anywhere. You will get that link. Then you guys can easily book one-on-one session with me, then ask whatever question you have, then I can help wherever I can. Let's get started today's video, where we will add a new request for winter semester 2025-2026 for FAU Erlangen for computational engineering. Then you can click on add request. Once you clicked on add request, you're directly allowed to select a desired degree. In the desired degree, we are doing our master degree, so then you can select master degree. Then in the course, we have to select our computational engineering, so which is our CE, which is computational engineering. Once you select computational engineering, other 3 things will already automatically selected. Okay, you need to have in a MSc in computational engineering, then it is you're starting in first semester. But here in first semester, you can choose and please select if you're applying for, say example, second semester and third semester. But here, if you need more information, you can also click here. New students should select always first semester, but if you are transferring from other university, then you can select the higher semester. But usually, as we are selecting or coming for the first semester or newly starting, that's the reason I've selected first semester. Okay, then type of admission would be qualification assessment process. So they will have a qualification assessment process. The application deadline for the following winter semester is July 15, and non-EU guys will have application until April 15. Okay, master degree program applicants with international certificate need to upload all documents listed in the checklist. Okay, master degree program applicants with German, these are the fine, but you can check for the all documents listed in the checklist. So this is the checklist that they have asked to us to read before we apply or go further. So these are the information that they want us to fill in. So Lebenslauf, which is our CV. After resume, then it is anything you have German language skills, so language certificate of German. Then you need to give in the school living certificate, which will be our second PUC and higher school living certificate, 10th and 12th combined. Please give it here, and Karnataka people, it's always PUC. Then if your school living certificate is not in English already, then you need to give him an official translation of a certificate in English. Then you need to give in the university diploma certificate with the transcript and other things. Then otherwise, again, if your university is not giving the certificate in English, then you need to give a official translation. Other than that, you need to give in the complete module handbook. That is what they are mentioning here. This is nothing but complete overview of the subjects and things that they are asking. So this would end up in module handbook, which I showed in the filling of other college in the last previous video. You can also look into that. So how we make use of module handbook and filled in so many subjects. So those are the things that you need to give. Other than that, you need to have any of the work that you have done, say example work experience certificate, internship and other things. So these are the checklists that you need to have. Then if you're coming from China, Vietnam, India, then you need to also give an APS certificate. These are the things that we need to ask for. So once after filling all these things, you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, we will be set to next. So it is our general university entrance qualification in Germany which I have filled in 2016. So here we can go to overview. I will just show you where I have filled, because it is taking directly which I have filled for summer semester. But if you don't know how to fill, I will show you how to fill for those things. So it is taking this one. So you can click on edit. So people who have not filled in, after you click on continue, you will get this screen to fill. Okay, so don't get confused. After clicking that overview, after selecting next, then you will get this continue button. Okay, then university entrance qualification. So here in university entrance qualification, you always have to fill in the second PUC or 10th plus 12 thing. So here you have to fill either your 12th result or PUC result. So acquired in, where you have acquired your university entrance qualification, you have acquired in abroad. Then the country where you have acquired is India. Then the university entrance qualification is general university entrance qualification earned in the outside Germany. So if you're worried which one to select, then please click on I button. Then you can here just see, please enter the type of university entrance qualification. Applicants of master degree program, please choose general university entrance qualification on outside the Germany, because if you're a bachelor degree or any of the PUC that you have done outside Germany, then you have to select general university entrance qualification on outside. That's the reason we are selecting that. Then why I'm given the grade 4.5 even though it is 4 maximum, you can click on I again. So please enter the grade of qualification. The grade must be between 1 and 4.5. Okay, but being 1 is a maximum decimal point allowed. But we don't know how to convert our percentage of second PUC or 10th to German GPA. That's the reason they have also told applicant with the foreign qualification should enter 4.5 here, because they will do the initial or internal conversion. So no need to worry, you just give 4.5 because we have done outside Germany, which is having a foreign qualification. Then date of on which your university entrance qualification was acquired. So we acquired our university entrance qualification on 7/1/2016. So this is nothing but when you have finished your second PUC. Then you can click on continue. So once you clicked on continue, you can just also confirm here university entrance qualification, which is one request which you have filled, general university entrance qualification that you have pursued outside Germany, which is our second PUC. Then you can also add further entrance qualification. Here you can fill in your 10th details. So there will be 2 university entrance qualification. So usually I don't show you to you guys how to fill it again, but you can also fill in the 10th details. Then you can click on continue. Once you click on continue, then it will ask for some terms and conditions that you need to have filled in, yes or no, like that. So university entrance qualification obtained German vocational training, no, because we have done it in outside Germany, which is international. Then have you completed national service in Germany? No, because we are international student. That's the reason both will be no. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, here it will ask for information of international applicants with the university entrance qualification gained outside Germany. So if you gained your university entrance qualification outside Germany, please be sure that inform yourself on Anabin website and that website. This is nothing but they are asking, once you have done your PUC, after that you will do your bachelor's. So that bachelor college has to be H+. This is nothing but APS in other way, because as I told in many of the website, your degree college should mention in Anabin website. So you can go inside Anabin database and check for your college and check what grade it has. It has to have H+ university. If it is less than H+, H+, H- and H-, I'm again sorry to say, you're never getting an admission in Germany. If you get an admission also, you're not getting an APS certificate and visa. You cannot do your master's in Germany. This is one thing I have to be clear. Then we will just say, yes, we have checked our Anabin website. VTU comes under H+. That's the reason we will, yes, I read and understood the information. Then we can click on continue. Once we clicked on continue, here we have to ask if you have any FAU Erlangen admission already got in previous semester. If yes, then please fill in so that your application, they will process earlier, then give the admission right away, because you have already got in summer semester due to some reason you didn't come. But for the first time people who are filling here, just keep it empty. Then we can go to continue. Once we click on continue, here you just have to say no, yes, because we have not got any admission last semester. Then you can click on continue. And here we have to give in the school living certificate. As I told you, this school living certificate will be 10th and 12th. So please combine both into one PDF and upload here. One would be your school living certificate. One will be your translation of your school living certificate if it is not in English. Okay. Then I will take some moment and fill in the upload the document. So for applying, you can click on choose file. So once you click on choose file, you can go to desktop. So where you have stored your things, so then you can select 10 plus 12 combined PDF that you have uploaded. So our certificate of PUC is anyway already in English, so that's the reason we doesn't need to translate it. Then we can click on continue. So our school living certificate is done. Then after filling for school living certificate is done, we have to take some moment and fill in the university degree qualification for admission of degree program. This university degree qualification admission degree program will take some time to in order to fill in, and I have to fill in all details. Then in next I will also have to upload it. That's the reason I told you we will make 3 parts, because it is a lengthy video. So this is the second part where I showed you how to fill in the school living certificate details. So in the next part of the video, I will show you how to fill in the bachelor details. Then for this corresponding bachelor details, we will also fill in the documents. Then at the last, we will also submitting the application. See you in part 3. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.